watch it. It's going to get caught in the other one.
God. Ooh. I don't think I can pull this one. My goodness. Look at
Oh,
this.
he's jumping.
Jumping fish.
He's jumping.
Darling.
Guys, look at that. Just bring him right in here.
I'm at the end moment.
All right.
Tired.
Nice job.
It's a whale. It's a whale. The girl's day out. Is that it?
Yep.
Winter blackmouth fishing.
He's all caught in here.
How'd that feel to reel in your first winter blackmouth?
It felt so good. Oh, that's a huge thing.
There's
Look
a
at
fish.
that. Beautiful. Woo! How about that?
Nice fish.
That a nice fish. Fish on.
Hi, we're on Doc Thoke's boat fishing for winter blackmouth, and we're using the Super Magnum glow flasher and the Albrew fly today. Let's go fishing. We're putting it down to 120. It seems to be working the best for us this year for winter blackmouth. There we have it, 120 feet.
Boy, I caught that 8-pounder.
Right, nice fish. Let's go for another one.
Hello, fishermen. I'm off of Manchester this morning fishing for winter blackmouth. Standing beside me is my wife, Darlene. You fishermen out there that have trouble coaxing your wife to get out on the boat and go winter blackmouth fishing, hey, Darlene's got some suggestions for you.
Promise or anything, diamonds.
Diamonds. Remember, you heard it here first. What have you found to be your best way to fish out here? What do you like the best?
Oh, I like the glow flasher. I'm always telling him, get the glow flasher out.
See? What's your favorite depth on the downrigger?
120.
120. And your favorite fly?
The Albrews. That's a
Yeah.
good fly.
Yeah,
Good colors.
Yeah, we both have caught a lot of nice fish on the Albrews. Your feet are one of the things that tend to get cold a lot, and my wife has some good suggestions for you about your feet.
Well, just make sure you have a really good pair of socks. Nice wool socks. Make sure, maybe bring an extra pair if they get wet or something. That's a good idea.
Yeah, warm socks. How about your
And-
clothes? What do you wear to keep your legs and your chest warm?
Well, I like nice sweats, and then I like the bib overalls. They keep you really warm.
It's important to think about safety when you're out on the water. The waters of Puget Sound normally are about 45, 46 degrees. Combine that with a chill factor with the wind, and right now it's about 35 degrees out here. So you're not going to last very long in this water. Hypothermia is your biggest killer to fishermen. All right, let's get some more gear in the water and let's sharpen some more hooks and see if we can't put a few more fish in the boat for you fishermen that are viewing this on winter blackmouth.
Fish on. We're ready. I'm going to bring up the downrigger now. It's a good idea to check the gear periodically because you want to make sure there's still bait on it. So it's a good idea every 10 minutes at least to check it because you never know. You're wondering, why don't I have any fish? You know, you've been out there and lo and behold, you get your gear up and you notice there's no bait. So it's a good idea. Let's check our gear. Well, as you can see, just like I thought, we have no bait, so we need to put some fresh bait on and put it back out. Always make sure your hooks are sharp too, that's very important. Now let's put it back out and catch another one.
deep you're going to put it down? Okay. When letting the line out on your downrigger, keep your rod tip low to the water and keep the line tight. You've heard it said many times, tight lines. That's exactly what I'm doing. The reason I keep it tight is so that I'm able to read the rod tip action. The flasher rotates, it transmits that rotation and that pulsation up that tight line right to my rod tip.
120 feet, hon.
All right. Okay, come on, big fish. Let's get ourselves a slab today. We got one in the boat already. You know, I can't talk enough about the way that our boat is set up. The rod extender. It gets the gear out away from your boat, and you don't get tangles that way. So you think you're going to outfish me today, huh?
Sure am.
That's the way it is.
Okay. We're ready.
Okay, come on, big fish. Oh, man. Yeah. Nice one. Big mistake made by fishermen is you're going to pump your rod. Don't. Keep your rod tip up. You want to take this one or net it for me, hon?
I'll net it.
Will ya? Okay. Okay, good job. Get the net out. Let's go. He's coming up.
All right.
He's on top back there. Can you get that?
Oh, yeah.
Can you get that run?
Right back.
Out of gear. Out of gear. Yeah, they're in here today. He's coming at me. In gear. What do you think? Think we should? It's a nice fish. Winter blackmouth. They only got to be 22 inches long to keep them. What do you think? Think we should? Ah, let's throw it
We'll
back.
have to throw back.
Okay.
Not
Shake
quite.
him off the hook for me.
Yeah.
That's a
Gotta throw him back so he can grow up.
that's a nice fish though. Put up a good fight.
Yeah.
All right.
That's all there is to it.
Well, Darlene, it's really not bad out here for December.
No, it looks like a good year. We
Yeah.
haven't had any severe weather yet, so it's a good opportunity to take advantage of this nice weather and get out and do some winter blackmouth.
Is that what we're catching now?
Yeah.
Those last ones, boy, that 18-pounder, that was something, wasn't
Oh,
it?
I know it. Doesn't
Damn.
that make you feel good to bring in one of those?
It's worth getting up in the morning and freezing for it, isn't it?
Yeah. Good smoking fish
Yeah,
for the Christmas time, holidays.
yeah, good gifts.
Yeah. Makes it all worth getting up early.
Well, I notice it's not too crowded out here. There's been about, what, 6, 7 boats at the most?
Yeah, most people think that summer ends and you put your boat away and that's it, but they don't realize we have a good winter blackmouth
Yeah,
season.
good season. You know when that season starts?
Oh yeah, it starts.
And then it goes right through, what, January? So, yeah, that's probably the best time, too, when it first starts back in... Yeah, that's good. Why, that's fun when all of them go at once, I bet. I've seen 2 of them now, but
Oh yeah.
did you ever
when
have
all
3
rods-
pulling?
Oh yeah. All 3 rods. No, it is exciting.
God, and my arm, the size of that thing, the arm was just... God, the muscle was building up. I could feel it. Better than aerobics. Oh, gosh.
Good fresh air and some exercise.
Yeah. So when you see all those birds and stuff, you know that's where the bait is, and do you go there for the big fish, or do you kind of just try to pull away and watch the fish depth thing?
Well, yeah, you want to. I mean, when you see a patch of birds, that's a good indication of the bait patch, and so you want to be around that area and watch your depth.
Yeah. You bring up the thing.
All right.
Here's one of those blackmouth salmon we were talking about.
Yeah, it's winter blackmouth. This is what it's all about, getting up early.
And man, you can really feel that pulling on your arm. I don't know. Oh wow, he's swimming over to the right now. Now to the left. No. Up, I think he got off.
You think he's lost?
Boy, he's tough.